Now in this section on the site that you're looking at, there's 3 videos about Windows Movie Maker, about compression. The first one, the second one, and the third one. What I'm doing here is I'm making a video for how to compress videos. But what I'm doing is I'm going to be videoing, and you're going to watch me compress the second of the 3 videos in the category of compressing videos that you're looking at right now. Okay? Now, when you first go into Windows Movie Maker, each time after you use it, and then maybe you use it a couple of days later, the last video that you uploaded or compressed is going to show up here. This doesn't matter. What you want to do is you want to go over here to import video. Now remember I told you I keep track of everything? After I make videos, I stick my memory card in, and then that viewer comes up and I can write down each thing. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be importing, let's see, how can you, okay, 8041, 8040, 8041, and 8042. These are how to compress videos together, and this is what you're going to see as the second video in this category. Okay, so the first one, oh, here's another thing. This may end up being 2 videos because this is really this is the most complex thing you have to do. Okay, you're going to be importing 3 videos, but I find the easiest way to do this, and the reason you have to write it down, is you have to back them in. Okay, so you see here 8042, 8041, 8040. So I'm going to back them in. So I'm going to start with 8042. Import video. Okay, 8042. See, I click that. And then over here, I click import. Okay, it's going to start importing the video into Windows Movie Maker. Okay, this one is 6 minutes and 53 seconds, so it's going to take about a minute to import. The longer the video, the longer it takes to import. The shorter the video, the shorter it takes to import. Okay, now I want you to watch this very, very carefully. I'm going to import them, then I'm going to show you a couple of little tricks to make it look really cool. See, now there's 16 seconds left. Okay, it's going to be here in just a jiffy. Okay, it's ready to pop up. Okay, it's in 1 frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click on it, or I'm just going to put my cursor over it, and I'm going to hold my left cursor down on my mouse, and I'm going to drag it and put it right there. You see that? I put it right over there, and the video shows up here. Now I'm going to import 8041. Click import. It's importing. This one is only 30 seconds long or so, so it's quick. 8041. And I'm going to left click it and drag it over and put it right there. Okay? Then my last one is 8041 or 8040. I'm going to click 8040, import it. This is a little over a minute long, so it doesn't take very long. Okay? Now, I'm going to import this. Now, if this video was more than 1 frame, which oftentimes it is, in this case it's not. If it's more than 1 frame, here's what you do. You go up to Edit, okay, and then you click Select All. In this case, it's only selecting 1 frame because this video is only 1 frame. Sometimes a video can be 5 frames or 10 frames. I don't know why. It just happens sometimes. It doesn't mean anything. So then you've selected it all. Let's say there's 5 in here. So then you're going to take the first one of the 5 and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to hold your left click down on your mouse and you're going to drag it over and drop it in. Okay? Now sometimes when you import the video, if it doesn't drag right away, wait about 5 to 10 seconds until it settles in, and then you can drag it. Okay? Alright, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to give it a title. Okay? So that we're going to click Make Titles or Credits. You click that. See this? You can put them at the beginning. You can put them wherever you want. I'm going to put this one at the beginning. Title at the beginning. Okay? Then I'm going to try and type in here compress videos. I think this is number 2. Compress videos number 2. Okay? Then I'm going to go down here to change text, font, and color. See that? I don't want it to be blue. I want it to be white. Did you see where I did that? Right here. Okay? Change the title text. Wait a minute. Change the text and color. Okay. This right here is the background. See, the background is blue and the background is blue there. I want this background to be white. And I want the color of the text to be red. Now you don't have to put titles, it's up to you. I'm just showing you how to do everything. And then done, add title to movie. Okay? And there it is right there. It's right there in that frame. Now if I want to make a transition, I want to show you how to do that. So you click View Video Transitions. Okay? And the one I want to use is called Fade. And see where here it says Show Storyboard and that little blue thing there? You click Show Storyboard, okay? And then you have these boxes in between the videos. So I'm going to left click, or actually I can just left click on this and drag one here, and drag one here, and drag one here, okay? And then you can go back and click this. That's where you're going to start. It's going to give you a sample, you see? And then you can, it's paused, then you click play and watch. Watch the compression. Now when you're shooting a video using a digital camera that takes movies, again, I don't know much about webcams that see? And so here, let me show you to you again. Go back to compress videos. It's going to be a little fade out from one thing to the next. Now, when you're shooting a video, I like it. It's a nice little touch, and people have commented to me about it. So when you're all done, and if you want, you can put a title at the end of the video by clicking Make Titles or Credits and put it at the end. If you put one that's on this after the selected frame, let me show you. Title after the selected frame. If this is the one you want, then you have to put, if you want it at the end, you have to identify by clicking it that this is where it's going to go. It's going to go at the end of this. You understand that? Okay? You see that? If you put title at the end of this clip, you click on the one you want, it can go here. Okay? So then what happens is, I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to cancel it. So then what you do is you go over here, Save to My Computer, click Save to My Computer, and then you name it. Okay? In my case, it's two. That's what I'm naming it. And then after that you click Next. Okay? And then after that you click Next. Takes a couple minutes for it to process. This video is almost at 10 minutes, so I have to stop here in a moment. Okay, and now it's going to begin to save the video, the compressed video, to your computer. It says here it's going to take 5 minutes remaining. It's almost a 10-minute video. Oh, this one here is, it's 8 minutes and 34 seconds. So it's going to take about 4 minutes. And then as soon as it's done, I'll show you on my video, on my computer, where it's located.